quadcopters.
Oh shit. That's pretty sweet.
Can you see it?
Yep.
Oh fuck, barely.
Over here.
So I'm at 1,063 feet.
What? Holy
Or no,
fuck.
height, no, 6,676. Distance 1,000 feet away. Vertical speed 11 miles per hour. Horizontal speed, so see horizontal speed of fucking.
Is that the fucking 10 all the way out there? Holy shit, we're a lot closer than I thought we were. That's crazy.
So I'll try dropping and get the speed up.
Oh shit. Jesus Christ, that thing's hard.
Oh fuck, I didn't know it was back.
It's ripping. Oh, is it coming back because it's dying?
No, I got 60%.
Oh, what the hell is it doing? Just keeping it real? Balling?
Oh no, got a picture.
Oh shit. That's pretty sweet. 752 feet. 750 up there. That's 750 feet, dude.
Oh, there's fire.
You can see one? Oh, way back there? Or wait, where is that? Oh yeah. Okay, that's the China back there, eh? What the hell,
Look at my
dude?
props.
That thing is way up there.
Look at my props.
Yep.
There's the drone.
That motherfucker is way up there. Dude, that thing's fucking badass. $750.
Oh, let's try the up. On that fire.
Spot some critters.
Oh, it's all fucking tweaked out at an angle again. Yeah, that ain't gonna work.
Damn it. Dude, the fucking clouds thing, hella low. Oh, I see a flash. See that in the sky? I saw it was like over here. There's some kind of light.
Oh, we're gonna try out the fire.
Oh shit. Heading straight for it. 51 miles per hour, should be there in no time.
134. I can't see it.
It's way at the top of that tree right there.
Pretty much can't see it though.
Yeah, it's gone now. Behind the trees. But we can see this.
Maybe we can see those guys doing burnouts.
You right? I think they're down at Badger Plaque, maybe? Sounds like.
Look at the flare camera's all jacked up.
What is it?
Look at it, it's all fucking at an angle, all fucked
Looking
up.
for shit?
No, it's just fucking not working.
Is
I don't think I'm gonna make it to the fire.
No? That's pretty kind of far, ain't it? How far or how fast are you going?
Well, I'm not going anywhere right now, but I only have 40% left.
Uh-oh.
We'll gain some height.
So that way, yeah. That's that way. That's no. Well, straight that way is the fucking river, right? Back behind you. Straight
Yeah,
behind
see,
you.
it's pretty fun flying a drone when you can't even see it.
Well, there you go. I almost figured I was going, oh, what the hell? I kind of figured it was a headlamp.
Headlamp.
Oh, no, it is.
That's my headlamp.
That?
That's my headlamp.
I like it. Nice headlamp, bro. That's fucking, that's hot. That you see on TV? That's hot. Oh, Subaru grill. Nigga oh, Ford. Look at that shit, bro. I got you a new fucking part for your fucking parts department. Blue oval. Bite the oval.